Welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today, we'll be discussing in details Microsoft Power BI. Now, an overview. Microsoft Power BI transforms your company's data into rich visuals. It helps you create an appealing visuals. Now, these visuals helps you facilitate new ways of you thinking and organizing your data. It also helps you as an individual to focus on what are important in or to achieve your goals. All these are some of the major overview of Power BI. Who should attend this course? This course is for anyone interested in data analysis. At the end of this course, students are expected to have the basic understanding of the topics listed below, as well as the ability to utilize and implement the concept that will be learned. Here are some of the topics that we'll be covering. Firstly, we'll be covering what is Power BI, installation of Power BI desktop, data cleaning, visualizing data with Power BI, data modeling, the use of Power BI mobile, and the use of Power BI online services. Here are some of the features we'll be covering in this course. The next thing is what is Power BI? Power BI is simply a collection of software, applications, and connectors that works together to turn on related source of data into coherent visuals, immersively and interactive insights. Basically, it's just a software that helps you create good insights from your data. Now, Power BI also, in addition, allows you connect to various and enormous list of data sources, which will allow you create visuals and also discover important features in your data, some of which are in the data that you may not understand. The data visuals will make them more understandable. Now, it also gives us an additional advantage of sharing with someone or anybody you want within an organization or outside an organization. Here is a pictorial representation of Power BI environment. We could see we have the report view, the data model. 1, 2 to 5 is listed here to be explained in the next slide. The ribbon tab. The ribbon tab displays the common tasks that are associated with report and visuals. The next one, which is number 2, is the report view or canvas. Subsequently, if you hear me say canvas, don't ask what are canvas. Canvas is where visuals are created and also arranged. Now, the next thing we'll be looking at is the page tab. The Page tab is located along the bottom of the page. This is an area where you can select or add a report page. It's just like adding more pages to your MS Word or Excel. Now, we have the visualization pane. This is where you can change visuals, customize colors, axes, and filter and add filters. Even more can be done. Finally, we have the field pane. This is where query elements are dragged into to filter them based on the visualization pane. So with this, we further go into the areas we'll be covering in this course, which include three major services in Power BI, which is the Power BI desktop, Power BI services, and Power BI mobile. Other than those three, there are other lists in the suite of Power BI, which include the Power BI Report Builder, the Power BI Report Server, and the Power BI Embedded. These are some of the other packages. With this, we have come to the end of Power BI Introduction to Power BI, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.